Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable kids mode in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Then go to special features. And here select kids mode. And just click on agree and continue. Select apps for your child. So what are the apps that you would like to use for your child? Select the app. Okay, so here just I selected these apps only. Okay, and click on next, and select here how much time your child should use your phone. Okay, if you set the timing at those time only, screen will be open for your child. On after finishing the time it will be ended. Okay, click on next, and here click on eye protection display turned on, and ambient light reminder turn on. Okay, like that, and click on OK, and give permission. Okay, now we can set personal controls or control exit kids space here. Okay, yes. Now if you hand over your phone to your child, only these apps can be used by your child. Okay, that too up to 30 minutes. So in this way you can easily set kids mode in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.